demonstrations in a variety of countries in the region is that they have been broad-based and secular and focused on the kind of democratic reforms that we support.
Can I ask you just one question on the budget? Today the President said that those...
And all Americans, whether religious or secular, have a deep, abiding faith in this nation.
Give them a reason to stay. We see it in Tunisia, where secular and Islamist parties worked together through a political process to produce a new constitution. We see it in